The fox, often portrayed as sly and cunning, has been a symbol of wit and mystery in folklore and the natural world. But how much do we really know about this elusive creature? Join us for exploration into the life of the fox, from its evolutionary history to its remarkable survival skills and its role in various ecosystems. This documentary will uncover the untold secrets of the fox, a creature as enigmatic as it is intelligent. Prepare to witness nature's most clever survivor in all its splendor. The fox's origins and evolution. In the heart of every forest, on the outskirts of cities, and in the wildest corners of the earth, the fox quietly thrives. But where did this cunning creature come from? To understand the fox's extraordinary survival skills, we must first look back into its evolutionary past. In this opening segment, we explore the origins of the fox, tracing its lineage back millions of years to uncover its ancestral roots. Foxes are members of the Canidae family, closely related to wolves, jackals, and domestic dogs. The red fox, the most iconic of the species, evolved to occupy a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to suburban areas. We'll take you on a journey through time, uncovering how the fox adapted to different environments and became one of the most versatile and intelligent predators in the animal kingdom. The fox in mythology, folklore, and culture. Throughout history, the fox has been portrayed as a symbol of cunning, trickery, and wisdom in various cultures. In ancient Greek mythology, the fox was associated with the goddess Artemis, while in Norse mythology, the fox was considered a magical creature. In this section, we'll explore the fox's role in myths, legends, and folklore from around the world, examining why this animal has fascinated humanity for centuries. From Aesop's fables to modern-day storytelling, the fox has become a central figure in literature. The famous tale of The Tortoise and the Hare is a prime example of how the fox's cleverness and quick wit have shaped human perception of the animal. This segment will look at the fox's portrayal in literature, art, and media, including its representation as a trickster figure and its role in contemporary storytelling. In modern popular culture, the fox continues to captivate audiences. Whether in animated films like Fantastic Mr. Fox, or as a symbol of independence in the wild, the fox's presence is everywhere. In this section, we'll explore how the fox has evolved in popular media and what it symbolizes in today's world. Foxes and their ecosystem, the role of foxes in nature, 180 to 240 minutes. Conservation and the future of foxes. Though foxes are incredibly adaptable, they are not immune to the threats facing wildlife today. Habitat loss, hunting, and disease have all contributed to declines in certain fox populations. In this segment, we'll explore the challenges foxes face in the modern world and the steps being taken to protect them. Despite these challenges, fox populations are not in immediate danger. Conservation efforts, including habitat restoration and legal protections, are helping to preserve fox species. This section will examine the global conservation efforts aimed at protecting foxes and their habitats. What does the future hold for the fox? As the world changes, the survival of this cunning predator depends on our actions. In this final segment, we'll look at the ongoing efforts to ensure that foxes continue to thrive in the wild, and how humans can help safeguard their future. Closing. The fox has captivated human imagination for centuries, embodying the very essence of survival, intelligence, and adaptability. As a creature of myth, nature, and modern-day wonder, the fox continues to be a symbol of nature's resilience and mystery. Through this documentary, we have explored the secrets behind the fox's survival in the wild, its deep cultural significance, and its ongoing battle to coexist with humans. As we look to the future, one thing remains clear: the fox's cleverness will continue to ensure its place in the natural world, as long as we are willing to protect it.